Are you doing your vlog? Huh?
Yes.
You want to do a vlog also?
No.
You don't like? Then what are you doing? Why are we hiding here? Huh? Why are we hiding? Tell mommy why. Hmm? Hmm? Did you see yourself there? Did you see yourself? Huh?
Good.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kapag kasi I'm here. What you get kasi
Go. So I'm left alone here. Ah! Let's not hide anymore, anak! Anak! Where are you? Let's not hide anymore.
What's hide?
In the bed. Come on, let's go.
No, it's not this.
They will sleep na.
No, I want to
On the big blanket. Tara, let's go to daddy.
No, I don't like the blanket.
Your blanket is so tiny, man. We cannot hide all over there. All together.
No. I think over there. Sit.
Sige na, please.
No.
Sige na, love. Why you don't like over there sleep?
I want to sit here.
You want to sleep with your kuya?
Yes.
Okay. Kuya Ashton and Kuya CJ, come here na. Sleep lang, baby.
Okay. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Okay.
Hi. What's hi, mommy? Wait.
Do you want to sleep with Kuya CJ and Kuya Ashton?
No.
And then?
I can't see.
We cannot hide, Nana. Why?
Over there.
Finish na.
No.
Bugol ka?
Mama.
I told you not to hide anymore.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
I think hi.
Okay. Thank you very much, love.
I think I ship mommy over there.
I just play here lang. We'll play lang. Later na sleep, okay?
And let's hide.
I no more hiding.
Let's hide.
No more. Bobo, mommy. Bobo here.
No, let's hide. Let's hide, go then. Let's hide. Let's hide. Come on. Let's hide. Let's hide.
Sit hide. Kuha na kaya. Gabi na kaya. See? Ouch. Sige na, let's go to daddy na.
No.
Go to daddy na.
No.
Okay.